Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about the crochet color I'm adding to my hair. So I'm going to be doing crochet braids on my hair, but I'm basically doing it because I want to add some color and I don't want to color my hair. So I'm trying to get a bit of both worlds. So if you're new here, right there, you know that red button? Exactly. It says subscribe. Just click on it. It's free of charge. I'm just kidding. But on a more serious note, click to subscribe so that you can see more videos. I do loads of videos on hair tutorials, hairstyling. I give you tips. I show you my daughter's journey as well. And don't forget to hit this notification bell so that you do not miss anytime I post. Alright, so let's get into the video. Okay, so today I've been working all day and I want to take my scarf off. So that's what I have underneath. So I have my African threading. I've had this for a few days now. I washed my hair last week and I've had this. I use this to stretch my hair. So I'm going to take it down. I know that my hair is not going to be moisturized as it should be, but I'm going to take the threads down and see what it looks like. So African threading is a heatless method of stretching our hair. So I'm basically just going to take this whole thread down and then I'm going to start the style. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. So I'll be using these two. So this is Kinky extension, but what I did is I washed it, conditioned it, and I'm going to spray some oil sheen on it. Prior to doing this hair, I did my protein treatment, which means that I fortified my strands because I'm going to be adding extensions to it. So this is what I do. So now I need to comb my hair. But my hair, as much as it's stretched, it's still kind of not happy to be combed out. Someone is at my door. Okay, so what I've done now is I have parted the hair. As you can see, this one is going to be my cornrow and this one. So I've parted the hair into one, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, and then the two tiny ones are going to be my cornrow. So I cornrow both sides, and the cornrow is going to be the base on which I'll be putting the crochet hair on. So it's just two simple cornrows on either side, and the reason I did this was because I wanted to be able to pack it in two, and I'll show you pictures at the end of what it looked like. So that is the second cornrow nearly done. And then the next thing I'll do would be to put my crochet. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've done the cornrows, so now it's time for me to do these ones. So I'm going to crochet this on this side and this on this side. Okay, so all I'm going to do is to use my crochet pin, and I'm just going to begin to put the hair on the cornrow that I've done. So it's pretty simple from here. You just literally put the pieces one after the other on the hair that you've cornrowed. So if you want to learn how to cornrow, you can watch this video. And if you want to learn how to do crochet, you can also watch this video where I detailed how to do that. So at this point, if you want, you can skip to see the finished look, or you can carry on watching how I did it, but it's pretty much repetitive from here. This is all I have left. Got to put that there. Let's see. So as you can see, I'm nearly finished. I've done the second side, and because of how dense this hair is, it's already kind of filled up the whole back. the beauty of this hair is that it gives me density. If you follow me on YouTube and on Instagram, you know that I have low density hair, so this gives me volume, it gives me density, and it also adds color to my hair, which is why I like to do this style. So I get the best of all worlds. I get color, I get density, and I get volume, and I can also style it in different ways. So it's all done now, and you can see it's kind of full already, so I'm just going to take my own hair out to try and blend it together, and this is the finished look. So this is what it looks like when you do like the low puff. Ignore my edges and appreciate the hair. Yeah, it's really nice and well blended in, and I'll show you some more photos on how I styled it.